Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pari Sky Pass. Guys, welcome to Maputo, the capital city of Mozambique. I'm on a beach after so long. Love the air. Amazing. This is the view from my room. Such a lovely day. Now my plan is to go and walk on the beach. It was afternoon time, nice time. That was my hotel. And let's go walk on this lovely beach over here, just in front of my hotel. This is Mozambique, Maputo city, the capital of Mozambique. Now look at this tree, so big. I can't go from here. Oh, the other way, I guess. Okay. I hope the gate is open to walk on the beach. Let's see. Oh, it is open. Hello. Oh, they're selling something here.
Hello.
Hi. Good, good. He's selling this since yesterday. What I want to do, I want to go all the way till there. There is not even one tourist over here. It's empty. That's the city. Things are open here, but they have a curfew from 9 p.m. So early dinner is what we should do. And that's it. Come for a nice sunset and dinner. There you go. But looks like not very clean. Why people do throw all this plastic bottles, garbage. So happy. So happy to be feeling this. Amazing. Some people are fishing ahead at the end of this thing. I feel something really nice about this breeze and sound of the water. It makes me feel very close to nature. And yeah, I always like beach. So there it is. This one ends here, but maybe if I can climb those rocks, can go more ahead. But it's okay. I'm not going to try to do that. Oh, so cool. I can click nice pictures over here, you know. This one. Really nice. Quite warm over here, but it's windy, so it's nice. I'm gonna click some pictures. Now I'll go back, and evening we'll go for dinner at this restaurant behind me. It's called South Beach. There is a restaurant there, and this is the view again. Let's go back. I don't know what they're doing since. I don't know what, let me go and ask. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Look for isca, nhoca.
Look for? What is that?
Nhoca.
Oh.
Yeah, to fish.
Ah, go and fish with that.
Yes.
Ooh. Can I see again? This is food for the fish, right? Yeah. Wow, nice. So they find this worms from the sand. And I think the dog helps them to find where to dig. So this is my hotel. I'm going back now. This gate. Hey guys, so now we are back to the South Beach restaurant here. And thank you. We are so hungry, ready for dinner. What else do you want in life? Breakfast time, and she's making me awesome scrambled eggs. Can I have more eggs? More eggs.